Alrighty, folks. Today we are doing trusses. So we're getting them all set up, getting it ready for next week when we get the crane out to lift them up. So right now they're just kind of getting everything all ready. We're going to be doing 3 lumps outside, and so we're going to get a crane and we're going to lift the roof in 3 sections and have it fully assembled up and on. So that's the plan. I'm getting the loader ready, and we're gonna get started. Man, it is windy today. Anyways, everybody's gone for lunch. I'm, well, just wandering around. I don't know a lot about building stuff, but anyways, they're gonna do the trusses in 3 chunks. I think I said that before. They're cutting all these boards to do bracing inside, and then it's strapped with 2x6 for this building. Anyways, that's how this is all going down, but hopefully it's not too windy. Anyways, we're going to be setting these up when the guys get back. They've been spending part of the morning here, most of the morning, just squaring the building up. That's the idea. So my batteries went dead on the forklift. They're just using it because it's just easier to pull the walls, get them where they're supposed to be so they can peg them all straight. I guess that's for later when we get the crane. This thing will be all good to go, that the sections will just go down and they'll be able to tag everything together. Anyways, that's about as good as I have for an update that I know what's going on. Got ourselves quite the jungle gym up in the front yard here. We have almost all the roof sections done. There's going to be one tall front of the shop. We got a flat face, 10-foot face on top of a 16-foot wall already. So yeah, monstrous. So we're doing lifting them in 16-foot sections. That's going to be the plan. So there's 2 there, 2 here. We got to build 2 more. There hasn't been a lot to show for the first round, but basically we just building rafters. So we're planning to do 1 more here. We'll do 1 more there. That way when the crane comes, we can do it in 2 lifts. That's kind of what our thought is. So yeah, not bad. We don't know for sure whether tomorrow they'll be back or not, or it'll be early next week. We're gonna see. We don't know for sure. So that is that's what's happening after day 1 of roof building, I guess we can call it. Alrighty. Today is due day, or crane day. We got just 2 more trusses to make really quick, and then after lunch the crane is coming and we're going to start hoisting everything up and in place. It's going to be awesome. The building will at least look its part, that's for sure. Well, that's unfortunate. The crane got delayed a couple times and it's like end of day, so we got to reschedule for another day. So we didn't really film anything, but we got the last bit of the trusses here done. Did all that this morning. We got the last little schlenk that we got all get together. Everything's marked out, ready to go. Just need a crane. So that'll be, I guess, later in the week. It is what it is. I believe at that time they're going to do that, and they're going to strap the whole roof all at the same time. That's kind of the plan. Get that all done in one shot. They were going to do it on the ground. Pretty sure we mentioned that, but it's nothing's really quite straight in what it should be, so they're waiting until it's up on the roof, then everything will be true and squared, and then I can just go to town and strap everything properly. Well, we definitely don't have a great day for lifting. Currently raining. Not very happy about it, but I just want to get this done. I think everybody else is on the same page, so just gonna get some things set up, and hopefully shortly we'll be putting rafters on the shop. Well, folks, we are that much closer. My goodness, this has been quite the trouble, quite the effort. Jeepers. But we got a roof. She's a little bit closer. We're hoping in the next week or so to get the roof strapped and hopefully tinned so we can get that done. And then we can start working. So I'm told I can't really play with too much until the roof is on. There's just a chance things might still move. So it is what it is. We had quite that struggle. Okay. I don't know if you've seen it or not. I had the tractor stuck here. I was trying to get it in the shop. The crane, luckily, they had no problems. I mean, it was mucky, but you never got stuck. And of course now, early afternoon, it's nice and sunny, so what a crock. Yeah, that definitely looks big, eh? Didn't think about the whole truss system was going to do that. I wanted a single slope because I wanted everything to go down to the back. I didn't want it V'd because I was worried through the doors doing something, having snow coming down. I mean, you can get whatever those buffer things so the snow doesn't fall off the front, but it was just something I just didn't want to even bother with or just avoid altogether. So anyways, folks, I think for this installment, that is where we are going to leave this one. I am wet and cold and a little miserable, but in a good mood. Look at this. As always, folks, I want to thank you all for watching, and we will catch you on the next one. Later.